Hey Mel, welcome.
Thank you.
Good to see you. You're looking good. Hey guys, look, welcome back. We did promise we'd try and give a weekly update, so this is our second weekly update on how Melanie is doing with the Fred Hollows Challenge during the month of August. Now, today is the 15th of August, so we're halfway through. Last time we recorded the update, we were just in the middle of a lockdown, just about to come out it, so Melanie had achieved, I can't remember, the number was 40-ish Ks, and the target was 100 by the end of the month.
100 in the month of August. That's correct.
Right. Well, 100 in the end of the month. Well, something has happened now, so that 100 target may have changed a little bit. Melanie, tell us where we are today.
Today I hit 100 kilometers.
Hey, in 2 weeks.
In
Wow.
2 weeks. Yeah.
Right. Awesome. Well done.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So did a bit of an epic one today.
Yeah.
To be determined to get those last kilometers in.
So how many Ks did you do today?
Just over 12.
Just over
12 and a half. Yeah.
12 and a half to get to the 100.
To get to the 100.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
What an effort. Okay, so you've achieved your 100 within 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Not the 4 weeks you originally planned. So what happens from here then? 1,000?
No. Not unless they let us do in a car, and I don't think they do.
No,
so
they don't, no. You got to walk it or run it.
Yeah. My intention is to keep making the effort, because I think that's what your commitment's about making the effort. So my intention is to keep making the effort. Having only just reached the 100, and I admit to having sore feet right now, I haven't yet set a new target. So maybe that's the update, that we're waiting for next, is what's my new target. But it would be really nice if you could make suggestions on what you think the new target should be, not 1,000.
So serious suggestions.
Serious suggestions on what you think I can aim for.
101.
That would be that would be achievable, and yeah, anybody who wants to then also help me achieve the financial target, that would be amazing as well.
Right. So talk about the financial target. That was set at $1,000.
That was set at $1,000, 10 times.
So we've had a bit of an update on that. So how's that going at the moment?
Oh, that's going spectacularly well. So again, big thank you to the sponsors. Had a wonderful anonymous sponsor in the middle of the week on Thursday, and Thursday was matching day, as some of you may have seen on my Facebook update. So they donated and it got matched equally, and that's brought me up to $898 donated. That's actually already given, which is absolutely fantastic. So I've got 102 to go.
102 to go to achieve your 1,000. So
to achieve the $1,000.
So that's an excellent result so far. Again, 2 weeks to go.
2 weeks to go.
So you'd hope that 1,000 would be achievable. Look at 102, to be honest. So what's that? 10 people giving $10 each, and you make that target, don't you?
Yeah.
So it's certainly achievable. So guys, look, we really appreciate the support you've been giving to Melanie. Obviously, some of you have been behind her, some of you have been able to donate. If you haven't been able to, it's absolutely fine. There is no pressure here whatsoever. But if you are able to donate and help Melanie achieve that 1,000, that would be absolutely awesome.
Because the 1,000 isn't about Melanie getting a certain amount of money in. That's not what it's about. The $898 that's in so far, thanks to your generosity, is expected to save the sight of 35 people.
Wow.
And I think
that's changing
fabulous.
People's lives, isn't it? It's about people's
it is
lives
life changing. Yeah.
So well done, Melanie, and well done to your sponsors as well. I concur with that. So tune in again. Maybe next week we'll have another update for you, and stay with us on the journey. Or stay with Melanie. She's doing all the walking. I'm just the support person.
Yeah.
So.
But he's a great support person, because he dropped me off at the beginning of my walk today and picked me up at the other end, because there was not a chance of me getting back across the Hornibrook Bridge.
Okay, guys. Until next time, stay safe. Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye.